Hoover T-Series WindTunnel Pet Bagged Upright, UH30310. WindTunnel T-Series vacuums combine a sleek design with superior, simple-to-use cleaning power at a practical price. These vacuums have intuitive features, such as fingertip controls conveniently located within reach on the handle, and a cord clip below the handle that keeps the cord out of the way while you're cleaning. The features of Hoover T-Series WindTunnel Pet Bagged Upright, UH30310 are PAWS Pet-approved WindTunnel system with WindTunnel technology removes embedded dirt and minimizes blowback and scatter on carpet. Activated carbon HEPA media bag filters and traps 99.9% of dust and pollens down to 0.3 microns and carbon absorbs household odors. Clean Drop Bag System is a simple one-touch that releases the full bag directly into the trash, so you never have to touch the dirty bag.